Welcome to our channel. Protecting your privacy on TurboTax is important when handling sensitive tax information. Follow these step-by-step instructions to adjust your privacy settings. Step 1. Log in to your TurboTax account at turbotax.intuit.com. Enter your user ID and password to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Click on your name or profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings or My Account. Step 3. Look for the Privacy or Privacy Settings tab in your account settings. This section controls how TurboTax uses and shares your information. Step 4. Review the data sharing options. TurboTax may share your information with Intuit partners for product recommendations and marketing unless you opt out. Step 5. Uncheck boxes next to any data sharing options you don't want to participate in. Common options include marketing communications and product recommendations. Step 6. Navigate to Communication Preferences to control how TurboTax contacts you. You can opt out of promotional emails, newsletters, and special offers. Step 7. Review third-party access settings if available. This shows which external applications or services have access to your TurboTax data. Step 8. Revoke access for any third-party services you no longer use by clicking Remove Access or Revoke next to their names. Step 9. Check your security settings and ensure two-factor authentication is enabled for added protection of your sensitive tax information. Step 10. Click Save or Update Settings at the bottom of the page to apply all your privacy preference changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.